Today I am going to tell you how to reduce spice in potato fry. In case we have to prepare half a kg of potatoes with extra spice, we can make a paste out of 100 grams of coconut and 50 grams of onions chopped, and then little bit of jeera and other spices like coriander powder if required. Now grind it well in a mixer grinder. Now take a kadai, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Add little jeera or mustard to it for seasoning and little bit of curry leaves. Now add the ground paste, nicely fry it. Now add the originally prepared potato fry with extra spice to this. Now stir it well and then cook it on slow fire. Season it and taste it. You will find that the extra spice is adjusted well. Now let us look at the second type of preparing. For the same 500 grams of potato fry, take a kadai, add little jeera to it. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil as required, and then when it splutters, add a cup, that is 100 grams of onion paste, fry it well, and then when this gets fried well, you can add other spices like coriander powder, salt, hing powder, etc., whatever we need for extra spicing, except the chili powder. And then after this gets fried well, add little turmeric powder also to it, and then add the 100 grams of tomato paste to it. Close it and cook it on slow fire for some time till this paste is nicely done. Now we have to add the originally prepared potato fry to this, and then add a little bit of oil and fry it on slow fire by stirring it well. Now garnish it. In case we require, we can also add half a teaspoon of sugar to it to add to the taste. Now fry well, garnish it and taste it.